Christmas is one of the most celebrated holidays on Earth, but not everywhere. In some countries, December 25th comes and goes like any other day. No Christmas trees, no lights, no Santa. Sometimes, no holiday at all. And the reasons go way deeper than you might think. Today, we're exploring 7 countries that don't celebrate Christmas, and why. Get ready, because behind each nation, there's a mix of history, religion, culture, and surprising traditions you probably never heard of. Let's begin. Saudi Arabia is a country where Islam forms the foundation of both daily life and government. For decades, Christmas wasn't just ignored, it was discouraged. Why? Because non-Islamic religious celebrations were not allowed in public. Churches couldn't openly display decorations, and Christian workers celebrated privately, in silence. Things are changing slowly. Expats sometimes buy small trees secretly. Cafes might sell holiday drinks without calling them Christmas. Some hotels discreetly decorate for foreign visitors. Still, December 25th is not a holiday. For many locals, it's simply just another winter day. North Korea has no Christmas. Not publicly, not privately, nothing. December 24th is actually celebrated for a completely different reason. It's the birthday of Kim Jong-suk, the mother of former leader Kim Jong-il. Citizens attend ceremonies instead of holiday festivities. Christianity is heavily restricted, and gatherings are controlled. So any Christmas celebration, if it happens at all, remains deeply hidden and dangerous. For many North Koreans, the entire concept of Christmas simply doesn't exist. A holiday replaced by ideology. Turkey is fascinating because it looks like it celebrates Christmas, but actually doesn't. Here's the twist. Turkey has decorated trees, Santa figures, lights everywhere, festive drinks, parties, countdowns. But all of this is for New Year's, not Christmas. Most people are Muslim, so December 25th isn't a religious holiday. Yet Western imagery blends into Turkish New Year culture so much that many visitors get confused. It's one of the only countries where Christmas exists, but under a completely different name. Tell me in the comments, which of these surprised you the most so far? And if you're enjoying this journey around the world, hit subscribe, because World in 7 brings you new global curiosities every week. Now, let's keep going. Some of the next countries might shock you. Japan technically does mark Christmas. But here's the important part. It's not a holiday. Not religious, not traditional. Only about 1% of the population is Christian. So what is Christmas in Japan? A unique blend of romantic holiday for couples, bright illuminations, gift-giving, and the most unexpected tradition of all, eating KFC. Yes, Kentucky Fried Chicken. This marketing campaign from the 1970s became so iconic that millions of people still order fried chicken every December 25th. Japan celebrates Christmas, but in a way unlike any country on Earth. China doesn't officially celebrate Christmas. It's not a holiday for students or workers, and most people don't associate it with religion. But in major cities, something interesting happens. Malls fill with lights, giant trees, Christmas sales, festive displays. Why? Because for Chinese consumers, Christmas is more about shopping, not spirituality. There is one adorable tradition, though. People sometimes gift each other apples. Why apples? Because the word for apple sounds similar to the word for peace in Mandarin. So gifts of peace replace gifts under a tree. Algeria has one of the largest Muslim populations in Africa. So Christmas isn't a public holiday and isn't celebrated by most families. But here's what makes Algeria interesting. The country has a small but ancient Christian community, mostly in Kabylie and Algiers, who celebrate quietly, often in churches built during the French colonial era. It's a reminder that Christmas, even in countries where it's rare, still survives in small pockets of tradition and faith. Morocco is another Muslim-majority nation where Christmas is not a public holiday. But because Morocco is a huge destination for European tourists, you can spot Christmas decorations in hotels, holiday menus in restaurants, festive events for visitors. Some Moroccan families who celebrate for fun, not religion. In big cities like Marrakech or Casablanca, Christmas becomes a seasonal experience. A mix of tourism, culture, and curiosity. Yet for most Moroccans, December 25th remains a normal working day. Christmas is one of the most widespread celebrations on Earth. But as we've seen today, it takes on completely different shapes depending on where you are. In some nations, it's religious. In others, romantic. In others, forbidden. And in some places, it simply never existed. Which country on today's list surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to discover more hidden stories from around the world, subscribe to the channel. Discover the world with World in 7.